long should you wait before jumping into a new relationship? If your partner died, what's the appropriate time frame before starting to date again? What would you do if one of your exes dated one of your friends or family members? How long should you wait before jumping into a new relationship?
I think there are no specific time or day to open your heart to someone. If I think the most important thing is to let your heart rest or feel, or when time comes that you really feel to be in love, I think time will comes that you will feel it naman.
What if what if they just broke up and then after, let's say, 3 days, she's now looking for a new relationship?
I don't think I will not do that also, because I think I will think the future situation that will happen. If that's the case, I don't think it's good for me. I don't think I will find the true love in that instant, like very fast, fast.
So it will take time. Okay, it will take time. Okay. Are you single or in a relationship?
I'm single.
Single. Okay, so you're single, right? But this is just a question. Okay, let's say like in the future, who knows? Okay, if your partner died, okay, well, I hope not. If your partner died, what's the appropriate time frame before starting to date again?
My answer would be same as the question number one, but I think it's 3 to 4 years or 1 to 3 years, because I've imagined it before, and I think that's that's what I thought about it. So if that's the case, I think it would be long enough to cope, to recover from that situation.
Just imagine if you're married, right? That's and you have kids. That's really different. It will really take years,
I think
definitely.
if already married, I think it would take very long. Yeah, I think 10 to 10 years above, because if that person is someone you already loved and you gave your life to him, so if ever na mag broke up, I don't think I can survive, or I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Now, what would you do if one of your exes dated one of your friends or family members?
I think for me, as a person who didn't engage much in so much like war or anything, that I think I will cut off them both na lang, because I think that's the best way for us. If they are happy with each other, then let them be, but I will find my parang I will find my pace to cope up with that situation.
What if she's your sister?
I don't think it's possible, but I love them both. I don't think that I will cut them off, but I think yung guy na lang is yung ka-cut off ko. Pero since hindi mo we will not avoid such contacts, like I think hmm, respect and respect and spread love.
Spread love. I think you will accept it no matter what, right? Because you love your sister.
Yes, and as a who loves my sister more than anybody, yes, I think I can accept that. But I also think that my sister wouldn't do that, because she feels the same way towards me. That's why I'm proud to say that she's not doing such things.
Are you single or in a relationship?
Single
Single. How long have you been single? Like
since birth.
Oh, since birth. Wow. When we were in Goa, we used to interview a lot of Filipinas like you, like no boyfriend since birth. Why is that? Why are you single up to now?
Well, I think I I need to focus on my study first, and then after that achieve my goals in my life, and then if someone is there na, well, I will entertain naman.
Okay. Okay, I know that you're single, right? But let's say in the future, okay? If your partner died, what's the appropriate time frame before starting to date again?
I think years, because loving someone is really hard, and it takes a lot of time, and of course the memories that you spend together. It's really hard to forget that.
Okay, it's really hard to forget. Okay. And what can you say to those people who are looking for a new love after, let's say, months? Do you think it's what can you say about that?
Well, if someone from a breakup, well, if you think that you are ready to love, well, it's up to you naman. But just assure the guy or someone that you are already moving on na.
Okay. Okay. That you don't have feelings to your ex no more, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, how about this one? What would you do if one of your exes dated one of your friends or family members?
It's hard question. Well,
It is.
I think I will not I wouldn't do anything because it's his life, it's someone's life, and I don't care naman who who he dated naman.
What if you still love him?
Well, for if I love him, I will do things that make him,
Like win him again.
yes.
What are those things that you're going to do?
First, grab his attention and chat him.
How long should you wait before jumping into a new relationship?
I think it's 3 months because if you know the 3-month rule, yun yung specific time. Okay, wait lang,
Okay.
sorry.
Okay, so 3 months because of the 3 months. What is 3 months rule?
That is the time frame that is being followed by those who are okay. So
For what? For like after breakup they follow the 3 months rule like that?
yeah, yeah,
Okay. Okay. Do you also do that? The 3 months rule.
yeah. I do that actually.
Okay. So after 3 months, that's when you're going to, be in a relationship again.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. How about this one? If your partner died, what's the appropriate time frame before starting to date again?
Usually it takes a year, 1 year, but sometimes depending on the relationship that you've had, it usually takes 2 to 3 years.
2 to 3 years. Do you know anyone, like maybe a friend or family members, and then their partner died, and then it took them years before be in a relationship again?
Yeah, I know someone. It's my uncle and her partner. My uncle died in 2021. And as far as I know, her ex partner doesn't have a boyfriend yet.
Oh, she must really love your uncle.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, how about this one? What would you do if one of your exes dated one of your friends or family members?
First thing I would do is to talk about it with my ex because it's something that I should talk about him with first. And also I will also talk about my that family member specifically because I want to know the reason behind it.
Okay. And after, let's say she told you the reason, what would you say?
It's either I will accept it or I will not I will disagree with it.
Okay. If you will disagree, do you think your family member, she would not date your ex?
Actually can control her feelings for him naman. But still, I think she will still follow my advice.
Yeah, advice. Okay, whether to date him or not.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much for having this interview with us. We really appreciate. I know you're busy, but thank you so much. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections